Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Semrush for keyword strategy and content planning. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Semrush website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Complete the registration process by filling in your details. Once registered, log in to your Semrush account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various tools. Locate the Keyword Research tool from the menu. Click on Keyword Magic Tool for a comprehensive keyword analysis. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Review the keyword suggestions generated by the tool. Analyze the search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Use filters to narrow down your keywords by relevance or intent. Take note of long-tail keywords for better targeting. Next, explore the Domain Overview tool. Input a competitor's domain to gather keyword insights. Review the keywords for which your competitor ranks highly. Identify potential gaps in your current keyword strategy. Now, go to the Topic Research tool for content planning. Enter a topic related to your niche to generate content ideas. Examine the suggested headlines and subtopics provided. Select the topics that align with your audience's interests. Return to the main dashboard and access the SEO content template. Input your targeted keywords to receive recommendations for content creation. Review the suggestions for optimal word count and structure. Utilize the SEO Writing Assistant tool for writing guidelines. Check your content's SEO score as you draft. Make adjustments based on the SEO suggestions provided. Finally, save your keyword list and content plan for future reference. Export your findings if needed for easy sharing with your team. Stay updated with Semrush's tools to continually refine your strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.